Welcome to Rumorphonia Educational Video, where we uncover the captivating stories of individuals who have made a lasting impact on society. Join us as we embark on a journey through the extraordinary life of one of the most iconic figures in the fashion industry, Heidi Klum. Step into the dazzling world of Heidi Klum, a woman whose journey from a small town in Germany to global superstardom has captivated audiences worldwide. Born in Bergisch Gladbach, Germany, in 1973, Heidi Klum's journey to fame began with humble beginnings. From a young age, she dreamt of gracing the covers of magazines and walking the runways of Paris. At the age of 18, Heidi won a national modeling contest in Germany, which served as her ticket to the world of fashion. Her striking beauty and charisma quickly caught the eye of industry insiders, propelling her to international fame. With her iconic presence and versatility, Heidi Klum became one of the most sought-after supermodels of her generation, gracing the covers of Vogue, Elle, and Sports Illustrated swimsuit issue. But Heidi was more than just a supermodel. With her keen business sense and creative vision, she ventured into television, hosting hit reality shows like Project Runway and Germany's Next Top Model. Through her television career, Heidi Klum not only entertained audiences, but also inspired aspiring models and designers to chase their dreams. Outside of her professional achievements, Heidi Klum is also a devoted mother and philanthropist. Through her work with organizations like UNICEF and AMFAR, she has used her platform to advocate for children's rights and HIV/AIDS awareness. Today, Heidi Klum's legacy continues to shine brightly, serving as an inspiration to millions around the world. Her journey from a small-town girl to a global icon is a testament to the power of perseverance, hard work, and staying true to oneself. Join us in celebrating the remarkable life and achievements of Heidi Klum, a true icon in the world of fashion, entertainment, and philanthropy. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the life of Heidi Klum. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more educational